Today we're proud to announce the HeroTech Academy. This is our brand new state-of-the-art training facility. We're committed to creating the next generation of skilled HVAC workers.
I'm encouraged by the class that I've been in, by the employees, the leadership here.
I feel 100% confident I can go out there, do anything that I put my mind to, and help any of these customers through any of their needs.
New classes are starting soon, so if HeroTech Academy is something you're interested in, go to our website and apply online at reliantairconditioning.com.